This is a short video on a sub-irrigation method I'm going to try out this year. These pots I'm using for construction of something called an Olla, O-L-L-A, and basically you take a ceramic pot and you bury it in your garden, fill it with water, and it slowly delivers subsurface irrigation to the roots in a slow manner. So I got some clay pots. I think these are about maybe 8 or 10 inches diameter at the opening, and I got some silicone, and I decided to get this food grade silicone here. It does say that it's not meant to have prolonged use underwater, but we'll see how it holds up. What I did was I put some silicone at the very bottom of each pot. I haven't done this one yet, but these I put silicone to plug up the hole in the base of the bottom pot, and then I took another pot, flipped it over, and after putting the silicone bead all the way around the pot, the bottom pot, I put a top pot on and put a little more silicone around the edges, and I'm letting it cure for about a day, and then I'm going to go ahead and bury these and see how they work. I'm also going to try putting a plug of silicone in the base of one of these pots and just burying the pot, one pot, and just putting a plate over the top so dirt and insects and mosquitoes don't get in, and then seeing how well that does, because that's certainly easier just to throw these single pots right into the ground. So I'll let everyone know in a follow-up how well these do for subsoil irrigation.